Hi guys, today we're making nachos. I usually just make my chips at home. I feel like it's easier. I always have corn tortillas, so why not? I'm using ground beef. It could be chicken, pork, whatever you want. These canned refried beans are the best grocery store beans I've ever had. They have a good texture compared to most brands. Anyone that knows me knows I struggle making rice, so the fact that I can make rice without a rice cooker is huge. And we better just throw it all together, make sure you layer it. The homemade chips honestly make a difference. Can't ever go wrong with nachos.